Hi everyone, welcome to another PC Arduino tutorial. In my last video, which is linked here and in the description below, I demonstrated how to create this 3D CAD model using Onshape, the free online parametric CAD design software. Today, I'll remake this 2D model, but I'll use fast keyboard shortcuts to speed up the design process. SpeedCAD, or as the incomparable Too Tall Toby puts it, the gamification of CAD, is rising in popularity. Speed caddying brings the unmistakable allure of competition to the traditionally academic endeavor of turning 2D drawings into 3D models. Speed competitions are when contestants are given one or more 2D drawings and must make dimensionally perfect 3D renderings of those drawings. In some contests, participants can repeatedly practice modeling the 2D drawings, refining their design methods to get their run times down as small as possible. Other contests feature live head to head battles in which a 2D drawing is unveiled and contestants race to see who can build the model the fastest with the highest precision. Even if competing isn't your thing, racing against yourself can really improve your CAD skills. So let's get started. Here's the 2D drawing I will be making, or I should say remaking. Note the dimensions are in millimeters, and I've moved this drawing to my other monitor so I can see it while I'm building in Onshape. The units of the Onshape document are already set to millimeters and grams, so let's start by making a sketch. To do this quickly, I'll press Shift S, then select the top face with my mouse. I prefer to hide the planes, which I'll do by pressing the P key. To reorient my view so it is perpendicular or normal to the sketch plane, I'll press the N key. Pressing R selects the center point rectangle tool. Now I can use my mouse to click on the origin and then drag out some arbitrary amount. I see there's a little box around the length dimension, so I'll simply type 63 and press enter to set that dimension. The focus now moves to the width dimension, so I'll type 15 and press enter to lock in that dimension. At this point, normally I would press the green check mark to save the sketch, and then click on the extrude tool to give it some height. But in Onshape, simply pressing Shift E does all of that in one quick step. Looking over, I'm reminded that the height of the box is 30 millimeters. So I'll press the Tab key 3 times to move the cursor to the depth field and then type 30. To finish, I'll hit the Enter key twice to accept and save the changes. Voila! The box has been fabricated. The arrow keys on my keyboard can be used to rotate my field of view like so, and I can use Control-Shift plus the arrow keys to pan around. When a face is close to being normal to the plane, pressing N will finish the job without fuss. We can zoom out with the Z key and zoom in with Shift-Z. To fit the object to our window, simply press F. A complete list of keyboard shortcuts can be found by clicking on the question mark icon, then selecting Keyboard Shortcuts. Or even faster, we can use the keyboard shortcut Shift plus / as shown in the list. I would like to point out that some tools, such as Transform, cannot be invoked with the keyboard shortcut. However, have no fear, for pressing the S key will pop up a shortcut toolbar with your favorite tools. Let's add the Transform tool or whatever tools you want to this list. To do so, click on your name and choose My Account. Then choose Preferences and scroll down to Shortcut Toolbars. Select the desired Onshape environment and add or remove any tools you want. Don't forget to save your settings when done. But we're still not done with our box, as we need to set the material to aluminum alloy 1060 as given in the drawing's title box. So right-click on the part name, then select Assign Material, and choose the materials library that is right for you. Here I am using my own pared-down version of Onshape's default library, so I can find my materials a bit faster. Press the Tab key twice, then start typing the word aluminum to find the material quickly. When the 1060 alloy is selected, hit Enter to accept it, then press the green check mark to save the material. Check out the links in the description to learn how to make your own custom library. I would never bother setting the color of my part during a speed competition, but if you want to flex a little muscle, my title block does give the RGB color codes for this model. So, right-click on the part name and choose Edit Appearance. Press the Tab key once and enter the red value of 95. Press the Tab key once more and enter the green value of 167. Press Tab one last time and enter the blue value of 61. Then hit the Enter key to accept the color change. So here's the moment of truth. To ensure the mass is correct, click on the part name, then press the Display Mass Properties button. Yay, we got it right. Now we're completely done with the part. However, before I say goodbye, I'm going to have a little internal competition with myself and time how long it takes me to remake this box without and with shortcut keys. The 2D sketch is visible on my second monitor. I've opened a stopwatch app on my computer, and an empty document is ready to go, so I'll begin in 3, 2, 1, go. For the first round, notice I am not using shortcut keys. It took about 90 seconds for me to complete this simple part using only the mouse. Let's go again, but this time I'll use some shortcut keys to speed up the process. In 3, 2, 1, go. That only took 55 seconds, which is about 60% faster. If I practice a bit more, I imagine I can get those times even lower. In the final video of this series, I'll show you some common beginner mistakes with this same rectangular box, and I'll explain some of the ways you can fix those mistakes. So if you're new to CAD, I encourage you to give it a view. Well, I hope this was fun and instructive for you. If you want to see more videos like this one, please give it a like and consider subscribing and donating. Take care and thanks for watching.